Yeah, the next one.
The next one not so pretty?
No, just you do choose
2 and 3, and then 5 choose 3.
Yeah. So, what's the next scenario?
Let's choose
2 of them are green.
2 of them green. Thank you.
And 3 are not green.
2 and 3.
And,
5.
okay. So what is it? 0.25,
So
2, 0.75, and then 5 choose.
3.
Is it 2 or 3?
2 or 3? Is it just 2? Yeah.
Because
I was-
last one was 4.
2. I said 5.
Well, what it
The
goes?
green.
What? Try it. Write it out. Do it out for me, and I'll tell you what my
I
answer
got
is.
0.2637.
That's it.
What'd you do? Choose 3?
No, choose 3. Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
I did.
I didn't. I could.
Well, the first one was 5 choose 5, then 5 choose 4.
5 choose 4, and then
Yeah, and
5
then it
choose
kept
3.
going down.
Right.
So what about 5?
But the 4 one is also choose 4.
Oh, that's interesting.
That's why I was like, is it
That's
2 or
why,
3?
yeah, it's-
That's why it's like it works.
Wait a minute.
This-
Yeah.
So why is the green situation still 0.25? Because I realized before it's because you had 4 greens in there, but I only have
Because
2.
on the face of the die, only one of the 4 are green.
Because each die there's only 4 sides.
Yes.
I know why it doesn't matter, because it's the same thing.
Same number.
Because, remember Pascal's triangle? It's symmetrical?
Right.
Or it's, yeah.
It's
That's why
symmetrical.
you can reflect it.
Right.
That's why. That's the axis of symmetry, if you will. It's like 5 choose 5 is 1.
Yes.
5 choose 0 is 1.
Right.
5 choose 4 and 5 choose 1.
Right.
Same thing. 5 choose 2 and 5 choose 3 are the same thing.
So they could
it
use
doesn't
5
matter.
choose
So
2.
you could
Yes.
doing it in ascending or descending.
And we
order.
could do that. So we can do that. What's this number again? Point what?
2, 6, 3, 7.
2, 6, 3, 7. Let's do 3. 3 not green.
Or 3 green.
That too.
So it's 3 green,
3 green.
2 not green,
2.
I just gonna leave it.
and then it'd be 5 choose.
Now.
2.
Yeah. 2 or 3 can match.
Doesn't
It doesn't matter which one, because
Doesn't
it's either
matter.
green or not green. Yes.
I understand the 0.25 to the third and 0.75 to the second, but what's that 5 choose 2? Like, what is that doing?
You have 5 spaces that you could fill in,
Yes?
and so you're choosing 2 of those spaces to hold non-green.
So the 5 choose something, that something is the not greens.
Right. Right. Yes.
Yeah. So basically, think of it as if you were rolling one die, right?
Uh-huh.
5 times instead of 5 separate dice. If you roll one die 5 times, that's the 0.25 times the 0.75 stuff, right?
And be
If
done.
you roll one die 5
Uh-huh.
times, that's the probabilities for that.
That would
but
just
then,
be this.
instead of one die 5 times, you have die number 1, die number 2, die number 3, die number 4, and die number 5. So that's why you want to do the choose thing, because it could be die number 1 could have the green, or die number 3 could have the green. So you have to
Mhm.
account for that.
So of the 5 die, 2 of them would
Yes.
hold that.
Now, the answer for the 5 one, sorry, I'm going to hit myself.
Yeah.
Because I'm like thinking at it, is it 0.0010?
It's 0.001. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
because it was 4, so the extra one.
Yeah. 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 Well, I like that.
Because my,
Yeah.
my calculator gave me notations, scientific
Ah.
notations, that's why I was like, is it the right answer?
Right. The next one should be 0.0879.
That's going to be 0.25 to the, or no. Let's see, 5.
So what would that be? What does that look like?
To the 4 and to the 1. I don't know.
Wait, which one number?
I think we just set it up.
Yeah, we did. We didn't just calculate it.
Right.
Yeah.
And then what's the last one look
I
like?
didn't know what to do for the 5.
Is it
Okay. So let's look at it.
25
So,
to the 5th, and
Because
then
so it's
choose
5 and 0.
choose 0.
so this is, remember, green, right? So there's
Yeah.
5 whole greens.
Yeah, so
So
it's 5 and 0.
0.25 is right, and then
And
what's
then I
this?
didn't know what to put for
Is
that
it
part.
5 choose 0?
Yeah,
Is
it
it
does the
zero
same
non-green
thing.
ones?
Or it could be 5 choose 5.
Or 5
Okay, that's
It'll
why
give you
I
the same
didn't know if
answer.
it's 5 choose 5 or 5 choose
It does the same answer.
It's the same exact number. If you put in your calculator, you get the same answer.
Because he's right. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. The Pascal's triangle mirrors itself. 1, 3, 3, 1. So it could be 4 choose 1, 4 choose 1, choose 2, choose 3, choose 4. Will give you the same answer. So on each of the 2 on the sides. Okay. So did you kind of get the gist of what that looks like and what kind of problems those are?
Do you consider this one to be like one of the more difficult ones?
I think that would be a really difficult one. Yeah. I do.
Are we having a test on this, Miss Kay, or is it just like a continuation of the last chapter?
Yeah, I
No, the
probably
test is tomorrow.
no, it's next
I'm-
Friday.
Well, Saturday, so
Yeah, not the weekend.
You got me.
The
You got me
test
there.
is next Friday, and it's going to have this on it, and then E of X variance of X, which
It shouldn't be too hard.
I've kind of introduced E of X to you. I'll continue that and work on
But
variance.
how do you
Very
do it real
simple.
quick, just to see if I got it right? Test, 'cause
Oh, I didn't know
If
if
I
it
was
was
trying to find the expected
do you like times the one by the wall?
That
and
times
add
that
the
0
plus
other?
times that, plus 1 times that, plus 2 times that, et cetera, add
I
them
think
all
I
up.
did that.
Shh.
That
And I can
remember.
show you
That's
really
special.
quickly.
Nope.
So, E of X is considered the summation of the X values times their probabilities.
Right.
That's the definition of it.
Yep.
Each X times probability, summation.
Plus that.
Okay. Variance of X is equal to the,
Isn't it squared?
yeah, it's the sum of X squared P minus the sum of the E of X.
So what you would do is
Square.
you would square like 1.
Actually, we don't need the sums again because the E of X has a sum involved.
Ooh.
Hi. Okay, does that make sense?
So if you like square 1
So
and
you
multiply by
square
probability.
this times this.
Okay.
Plus.
Square this times
And you
this,
subtract.
et cetera, minus the answer you would have got here squared.
Oh.
That's pretty easy.
It's not hard at all. Then
Yeah.
the standard deviation has a D, not a P, is the square root of the variance.
And that's it.
That's it. That's
They
what my
were
lesson
all
Monday will be.
That's so easy.
Okay, isn't that cool? All right.
Ah,